Navi Mumbai International Airport is a proposed greenfield project under construction on the National Highway 4B near Panvel. It is at a distance of approximately 35 kilometers from Mumbai's Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport. The new airport will be equipped not only with modern amenities to ease domestic and international travel, but also facilities to transport cargo. The terminal building will hold 10 million passengers a year upon the completion of the first phase, 25 million a year in the second phase, and 45 and 60 million a year in the third and fourth phases respectively. Moreover, the new airport is bound to ease traffic congestion at CSIA, which has almost reached saturation point and has little scope for expansion. The airport is being prepared to carry new large aircrafts, including Airbus A380 and Boeing B747-8, which comply with the International Civil Aviation Organization AirDome Code 45. Furthermore, the new airport is accessible by road via an enhanced highway network, metro rail, suburban railways, and hovercraft service. Facilities that are being prepared for the airport include cargo terminal buildings, 2 parallel runways for independent operations, taxiways, an apron area, cargo complex, aircraft maintenance site, and long-term aircraft parking. The new airport will also comprise of additional infrastructural complexes such as car parking, a power supply system, and water treatment plant. Construction work for the airport commenced in 2017 and is being carried out in 4 phases. The expected completion of Phase 1, which includes the development of 1 passenger terminal and 1 terminal, was December 2019. However, facing many delays due to nationwide restrictions, it has now extended its deadline to the end of 2021. The total cost of the project has risen from Rs 14,000 crore to Rs 16,000 crore. City and Industrial Development Corporation, CIDCO, which is the nodal agency of the project, estimated the cost of Phases 1 of the new airport at Rs 8,500 crore. The budget has been allocated for the following developments as per required: airport development, pre-development activities such as land acquisition, diversion of the Ulve River, relocation of high-voltage transmission lines. In January 2018, CIDCO signed an agreement with GVK Power and Infrastructure to establish Navi Mumbai International Airport Private Limited, a special purpose vehicle to execute the development project. The GVK-led consortium holds a 74% stake in the airport, while the Airports Authority of India and CIDCO hold a 13% stake each. In September 2019, GVK handed over a contract to construct the airport to L&T Engineering and Construction. The total land required for developing the project is 2,042 hectares. The Ministry of Environment and Forests has approved 1,405 hectares for the proposed airport zone, 1,160 hectares for the core airport area, 245 hectares for the mangrove park to the north, and 276 hectares of non-aeronautical area to the south. The new airport is expected to manage international and domestic passengers with 78 contact airport positions, 29 remote aircraft positions, and over 350 check-in counters. Additionally, the center of the terminal is to be occupied by a 3-level office complex. Provisions for online check-in and a baggage handling system has also been considered. The design of the terminal also includes 3 curbs on the north and south sides, 1 at grade, which will be used for commercial vehicles, and 2 elevated for arrivals and departures. The airport is being built to feature 2 parallel runways measuring 3,700 meters by 60 meters, which are both spaced 1.55 kilometers apart. Comprising of 5 levels that include 2 concourses, the H-shaped terminal building requires a total area of 5,23,000 meters square, including a baggage claim area of 13,290 meters square. The apron area, measuring almost 202,000 meters square, is projected to hold bulk cargo of domestic and international airlines, with almost half the space reserved for air mails. The 23,700 meters square international cargo and 33,000 meters square domestic cargo buildings will be completed in the first phase. There is a plan to develop an aircraft stand featuring the capacity to hold 20 wide-body aircrafts in the later phases. For regular maintenance and additional space for fixed-based operators, 3 aircraft maintenance hangars will be constructed. Aircraft rescue and firefighting measures will include 2 stations of 1,200 meters square each. There are plans to construct a fuel farm, catering space and ground service equipment maintenance space. To top off this world-class infrastructure are installations of high-intensity runway lights edge light, apron floodlights, and visual landing aids such as a precision approach path indicator and CAT-1 instrument landing system with an option to upgrade to CAT-2. With the excitement bubbling across Maharashtra for the commencement of this infrastructural gem, one thing's for sure, we're ready to soar high.